The 5 most important factors to have a successful website is this. Number 1, you want your website to have content that Google loves. Content is king. You need to think like Google thinks at some level when you're writing the content of your website. Whatever industry, brand, or business you are in, you need to research the best websites that are getting the highest ranking on your favorite search engine, especially Google, and literally you can use that content to help guide you as you write your content and customize it. There's just something about that content that Google and the search engine loves that's pulling the websites to the top that you want to have in your website. Number 2 is you want to have videos. I don't know if you realize this, but websites with videos are 53 times more likely to be on the front page of search engines. So have how-to videos, have promo videos, have why, mission, value-driven videos. Number 3 is you want to have clear call to action. Whatever it is that your next step is, make sure it is clear as day. If it's to schedule a call for a strategy session or a discovery session, or it's to buy something, subscribe to something, put an email in, make sure it's very clear that the whole website moves to this one clear call to action. Number 4 is you want to have search engine optimization. Now, maybe you don't know what this is. You could go to YouTube and you can find out for yourself right now what that is, or you could call a professional and they can help you. But there is an art and science to search engine optimization to keep your website on the #1 ranking in Google. Now, it's hard to get there, but it's possible to get there, and then you got to stay there. You want to be on the front page of the search engine, whatever that may look like. So you have to understand your website is in competition with every single other website on the internet every time somebody searches for something. So you want to make sure that if your website's important to your business and your brand, that you have search engine optimization. There is so much to talk about when it comes to search engine optimization, especially Google is changing their algorithms all the time. So you need to have a team behind you that knows their stuff, that is keeping your website on the front page and at the top. And the last thing is you want to have a website that is easy to navigate all around so that people can easily flow into it, flow around it. There's a clear menu bar, there's tabs, there's not too many tabs, you know, a video or a couple pictures, a rotating banner if that's your style. You can have a couple different, you know, maybe 3 things on the website on the front page that are really critical and important to your business or brand. You want to have a clear call to action, you want to have your social media links, you want to have videos on it. Those are the 5 most important things to have a website that will win online.